I'm Salad Fingers. Hi.
Hi.
How you doing? Hi, it's me, Todd. Nice to meet you.
Toad.
Yay! Very nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you. What a... Yeah, what? You don't like bold childs? Kids?
What?
Well, that sounds wrong, now that I think about
You
that.
do a flip.
I,
Can you twerk for me? And look back at it. Hold on, can you take off the VR so I can see what the fuck is going on?
Oh
I
my
wanna see,
God.
like, the IRL view.
Look at the top of his head.
The hair under the ah?
Do you like my dinosaur?
Wow.
Check out my dinosaur. Oh my god, it's so long.
LLDMAN, you're just a old man.
Yeah. Yeah. What up? What's going on? Have you seen this girl? I'm looking for this girl. I really want to find her.
You got to keep going. Stay
Really?
strong, brother.
Like
Yeah.
search. Yeah. And one day, when I find her, I can finally then.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Do you like Meowba?
No, please. I'm just a normal shark, okay? I just go on Amigo to make some friends and make people happy, okay?
Okay, can you dance?
Yes, let's go.
Yeah.
Clap. Thank you.
You're so
Thank
cute.
you. Oh, thank you so much. You guys wanna see my swimming?
Yeah.
Okay, let me try. In the cold water.
Aw.
Oh,
Careful. Be careful.
okay. I'm ready.
Do it. You can do it.
Oh my god, this is the most far I've got. Oh my god, but it's kind of cold. I should get up. Oh,
Aww.
nice.
I believe one day you can fully swim.
I will learn how to swim, then be the queen of the sharks. I'm gonna rule everyone.
Aww. You're so adorable. You're so cute.
Thank you.
Can you show us around?
Yeah, let me show you. Okay, let's go.
Running. I like your tail.
Wanna see me shake it? Oh,